So this is the little packet with the person's special personal effect inside. The petition is written on the brown paper, and I've also added some of my Wolfpack oil. What that does is that's the caveat for if a person or agency or entity tries to do direct harm or go against the intention and petition that I have written and commanded for, then there will be consequences. You never want to just sick stuff on people unless you are in a situation where you need to sick harm. But these are just defensive or offensive, kind of passive spells. That's the caveat for if something happens. And then that on top of the petition and their personal effect, I have the hot foot powder, and I would put the graveyard goofer or unsettled next to you, so they will want to get away from you. That's what that is for. And then usually strawberry plants are good for gentle boundaries, but this was a strawberry plant or leaf that was withering. And so I'm going to use that because this is not gentle boundaries. This is stay away or else rot, withering, and decay will soon come. And then the rest of these are just the packs. I'm going to wrap this to keep the hot foot powder, the graveyard goofer, and the personal effect inside with the twine. And then I'm going to add some of these to an empty bottle. This is already a garlic powder bottle. We love that in this house. And garlic is good for repelling and keeping things away. So that is the perfect bottle. Don't have to wash it out. Don't have to do anything with that. And I was noticing, because I talked to you guys in the Homeless Hoodoo, yeah, these are the ingredients on that packet. So this is all very good. You can combine those to make your own goofer dust or goofer oils. While tying away from you, speak your intentions. While you're adding each individual ingredient, speak the intentions of what you are trying to banish and keep away from you. Whether it's an agency, a financial agency, law enforcement, a court case, jury duty, any of these things, a specific person. Remember, we are using these energies to help us out. We are not just throwing fireballs at people just because we're mad, because they said something stupid. There are other ways to do magic to fix those situations. This is not that. This is to help you out financially if you've got garnishments on your paycheck or bills that constantly keep coming for you, credit collectors that keep coming. This can be for people who you want to stay away from your house or your business. This is what these are for. Jar. So remember, if you can't do candles, you can do jar spells. If you are not allowed to burn things, you can't burn things, definitely start practicing with jar spells.